I'm just sharing my screen. Is my screen visible?
Yes.
In today's class, we'll discuss about working with editors. Okay. There are like we can say like let me open the notepad so that I can make some words here. We'll discuss first with the G editor or Gedit, then we'll move towards VI editor. Okay. Then we'll discuss about the nano editors. Any editor is fine. You can choose like any of the editors, but if you, if you deploy any of the virtual machine, you will not be able to use this G editor. Okay, you should use only this V editor or nano editor. Okay, keep that thing in mind. Let me open the terminal. Yeah. First, we'll discuss about working with the G editor. G editor is like a graphical editor. It is simply same as a notepad. Now I have used the notepad, right? It looks like same notepad kind of thing. Okay. First I will just gedit, and then you should give the file name. It is going to create a new file and open the gedit like this. See, simply it looks like a notepad kind of thing. Okay. I will write some script here. Oh, just give me one. Let me zoom it here. No, I'm not sure how to zoom in. Okay, we'll see. Echo. 1 second. What I will say, this is something. Some data you can use. This is my first editor. You can say here editor. Come down here. mkdir. We can create directories as well. dir one dot 3. I will say. Then echo 3 directories will be created. Even you can, if you want to get date, you can get date, calendar, any comments, you can give all the comments. Okay. But it should not be saved with the .txt. It should save with, okay. See, just click on save here. It is going to save and then close it here. Okay. But it should not be with the .txt. It should be like file 1.txt. I want to rename it to file 1.sh. Okay, file 1.sh. It has been renamed. Now what I will say, now I will try to execute this one. Do you know how to execute the file? See, anything ending with .sh, we can execute that file. Okay. How we can execute it? Simple. We can mention bash and then file like this. We can give and just click enter. You are going to get, this is my first editor. mkdir cannot directory file exists. Okay. 3 directories will be created. Those all the comments are working fine. Only this mkdir is not working. We'll see what is wrong. Sure. mkdir already it is saying command is correct only. mkdir directory 1 or 2. Okay. What error we are getting? We'll just see that one. Cannot create directory dir. Okay, it is saying already directory is okay. It has created directory. See, directory 2, directory 3, it has created. Directory 1 is already present. That is why it is not able to create. Okay. gedit can work only on desktop version. Okay, this is desktop version, right? That is only it can work on desktop, cannot work in server version. That is like if you create any of the virtual machine in any of the cloud, you cannot use this gedit. By using putty, if you are connecting a remote server, then we cannot use gedit, and compulsory we should go for va edit. Okay, va editor is Unix based, where gedit and nanoed are Linux based. Okay, va can work anywhere. You understood, right? Gedit is desktop version. We can use only this is desktop version, right? That is why I'm able to use. When you go for remote server, with then you cannot use the gedit. Also, like what is another thing is like if you are using putty to access the Linux virtual machine, then you cannot use gedit. Okay, compulsory you should use either veditor or nano editor. Okay, and one more thing is like gedit and nano editor are Linux based. These two are Linux based, Linux flavor oriented. This gedit and nano editor, whereas VI is Unix based flavor. Okay, no, Unix will work anywhere. Okay, this is all about gedit, simple notepad kind of thing. Whatever you want to do, you can do it. Let me remove the things on the desktop. Okay. Working with VA editor. VA editor is very important. VI means visual editor. Okay. Let me note this one here. VI means 1 second. One second. Okay. What we'll do is we'll discuss nano editor today. Tomorrow we'll discuss VA editor. VA is very important. It is going to take 40 or 50 minutes again. Tomorrow, just like simply already 7 minutes. Okay, we'll see with which one you want, VA editor or nano editor.
I've seen mostly VI editor.
You have seen VA editor. Okay.
Vim, I think VI and Vim are both the same.
Yeah, Vim is the latest version, I think, of VA editor.
Okay.
It looks like more or less same. Okay. What we can do is we'll try to discuss VA editor only. We'll go one by one. VA editor. VA editor means visual editor. Okay. I means visual editor. We can use VA to create new files and to edit the content of the files. Simple thing how you can do it is you need to give VI and then file one dot sh you can give and just click enter. Like this it is going to come. Here there will be like this is how it is going to look. If the file one is not available, then file one is it is going to create, and then if the file one is already created, then it is going to open the file for editing purpose. Okay. First thing is this is one, and if you want to save it, how you can do it is just escape, click on escape, and then shift colon down. You need to see here shift colon and then WQ. If you give and then click enter, you are going to save the file. That is W means save and Q means exit. Okay. If the file already contains some data, then editor will be open and the file already saved for the edit. Okay. Okay. There are three modes are available. One is command mode, insert mode, exit mode. Okay. Just I will say VI and then file1.txt. Just click enter. Okay, there are three modes. Now this is command mode. Okay, this is command mode. Just click enter I. If you click I, then it is going to come to insert mode. You are able to see at the below insert, right? Insert mode. Now you can enter your data. Whatever data you want. Suppose I'll just remove this one. Why to create directories here? Okay. Anything you can mention, like suppose echo. Oh, hello world. Okay, like this. And this is insert mode. Now you want to come back to command mode. Just click escape. Now you have come back to command mode. Now you should exit. Shift colon WQ. Now the file has been saved. Now if you want to see bash and then file 1.sh, just click enter. See, everything is going to work out. Okay. Okay, that is what, like first you need to give vi like this, and then this first, this is default mode. Command mode is a default mode. From command mode we can enter into insert mode by using multiple ways, but the most simplest way is just click I. Now we are in the insert mode. Insert mode, we can modify the file, we can insert or append the data. And from insert mode, if you want, if we can enter into command mode by using escape key. See, now here at the bottom you are seeing insert. Now if you want to escape, we want to come back to command mode, just click escape key. You are going to come back to the command mode. And then exit mode. Exit mode is simple, just shift colon and then Q means exit without saving. W means save. Save and exit. Okay, just click enter. You are going to save and exit. These are the three things available. Three modes available. You understood, right?
Tell me one more time with the command.
One is
Insert
command mode. Default one is when you use VI and then file any file name. Just click, if you enter, it is going to go to the command mode. This is command mode.
Okay.
You will not be able to enter any data unless and until you click I. Unless and until you enter insert mode. Just if you want to see escape. See, by default, if you open the page, it is going to look like this. With the VA header, it is going to be the command mode. And from the command mode, you cannot enter any data. See, unless and until you click the I. That is, you should enter into insert mode. Once after entering into insert mode, just you want to come back, if you want to save, just click escape. You will get back to the command mode. And then if you want to save, shift colon WQ, save it. That is how you are going to do. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. How to insert and append data. There are like capital A to append data at the end of the file. Let me open the file here. Okay, I'll just click I, insert. Now what I will do is I will use capital A, not here. Just go back. You should be in the command mode and just see here. Now where is the cursor? Now the cursor is at the first line here at the top. Now just click capital A. Where it has went?
End of the
line. Okay, capital A to the end of the line. Okay, that is one thing. And also see at the bottom it has went to insert mode. Again, I will just click escape command mode to insert data at the beginning of the line. Okay, let me go to the end of the line. Now I want to insert the beginning of the line. What is the thing is, just click small L. Sorry, just click capital L. It is going to the last line. This I think capital I. 1 second. Just give me 1 second. You should come to this line and just click capital I. Yes, capital I is from the last line to first line. Capital A is from the first line to last line. Okay. Even the command mode is also going to change. Okay. Again, see now if I use small a, what it is going to happen? See, small a. Next line, small. See, you should be in the command mode. And suppose like you want to change hello here, you want to change. Just come here. You want to change the next H is there. Now you want to change I. Just click A. It is going to change. Small a. Okay. small I is for small I is there, right? Now suppose L is there. You want to change I. Next, just click I. I is okay. This thing is like I. No. Small I is like to go to the back cursor. Command line, it is coming to the always. When I try to give, it is coming to the insert mode. See, automatically it has changed. If you give I, even you can use the keys as well. Okay, keys also work. Keys also going to work out. But see, suppose this is a scenario where you are going to use small a is to the right. Suppose you want to edit HELLO is there, and then you want to suppose you are in the H letter, and you want to change a letter. Instead of using key, you want to use alphabets. You can use a small a alphabet in the command mode. Okay, in the command mode, you should use if you click A, then automatically the cursor will go to E. Next, right side to append the data to the right side of the cursor position. Okay, suppose the cursor is here, and right side if you want to do it, you need to click small a, and left side if you want to click, you need to use small I. But when I'm trying to do this one, it is going to the insert mode. Maybe something is wrong with this operating system Ubuntu. My image. That is why basically it is going to work out. Okay, these are all the four shortcuts. Shortcuts are very important. Keep those things in mind. Capital A is, what is the purpose of capital A?
End of the line.
End of the line. End of the line. Whereas the capital I is beginning of the line.
Beginning of the line. Yeah.
How to delete data? We can delete data either by character wise or word wise or line wise. Okay. Delete, first one we'll discuss about delete the character wise. Next, delete word wise. Delete line wise. Okay.
Okay. But we can do once we in the insert mode and then click backspace, it will delete, right?
No, that is not going to happen. Just see here. Now I have entered. Now I want to delete the file. Character wise, I want to delete. See, now I want to delete H. Just click X on the keyboard. X. It is gone. How we are deleting? Character wise, we are deleting single character. Now suppose I want to delete 3 characters. How you can delete? Just click 3x at a time. Now three characters are present. This 1, 2, 3. Just click 3x. 3 characters are gone. Okay.
Small letter?
Yeah, small letter. To delete let me enter again the data. See, capital I, and then come down here. Hello world. Okay, this is the data. Just go to the escape mode. Sorry, command mode. Now you understood single character delete, multiple character delete. Now to delete previous character. Now suppose I am at the D. Now I want to delete L. Just click capital X. Capital X, if we delete, the word is going to go. The previous character. Okay. That is fine. And then previous characters, if you want to delete, same thing. Go to the escape and then go to the command mode. Capital 3x. Capital 3x. Okay. You understood, right?
Yeah.
Okay. That is like character wise. Just simple. You need to use X, and then capital X is to delete previous one. Small x is to delete. Small x is to delete the forward one. Next one, you can say coming one. Okay. Now delete word wise. Suppose now I want to delete hello. Hello, I want to delete. How you can do is just hello and then just escape mode. What we can see is to delete current word DW. Just give D and then W. Okay. It is gone. Just 1 second. Insert mode. Come here. DW, it is not deleting the word DW. Sorry, I'm in the insert mode, right?
Command mode.
DW. DW, it is just going three to delete current word. It is saying it is just deleting the LOO. That's it. Let me insert again the data. Hello, just click enter. I want to delete the entire word, right? Okay, let me try to delete. There are spaces, right? That is why it is not. Let me try to delete this one. Escape DW. Yeah, here there are spaces, right? That is why it is getting confused. Okay, now just come down here. DW. It is going to delete the entire word. 3DW means 3 words will be deleted. Now let me enter 3 words here. Cal, think they should cal, and then date, and then again cal I will give. Now I want to delete these 3 words. Just how I will do, just escape 3DW. See, all the 3 words are gone. Okay. To delete the word, just simple thing, we need to use DW. Okay. Next, deletion line wise. Okay, this is a line, right? Let me enter again some data here. I'm trying to enter some line here. Okay, this is a line. Now you want to delete the line. Just go to the command mode. Now you want to delete the line. Just come down, go to the line here, and then just click DD. DD. If you click DD, it is going to go. Simple thing. DD. DD means it is going to delete the entire line. And then 3DD means 3 lines it is going to delete. Okay. Okay, there is another thing. Let me again enter some data here. Okay, let me go back again. 3DD, let's try that 3DD. 3DD will, we didn't check that 3DD, right? Okay, I'll just be there. 3DD. 3 lines are gone. See, that is how you can delete. And one more thing is like this is the thing. There are these few things. D and then dollar. D and then cap. DGG. Capital D, small g. These are all the few things we need to discuss. Okay, D dollar means deletes from the current position to the end of the line. Suppose I stand here. I stand here. And from here, from the current position, I want to delete till from here to I want to delete this entire thing. If you want to do that one, how you can do is small d and then dollar symbol. Okay. Delete from the current position to the beginning. From current position, from J2, I want to delete till here. You want to delete till here. How you can do it is simple things. D and then shift cap symbol. It is going to go. Okay. Delete from the beginning of the file to the current cursor position. If you let me enter some more data again here. Okay. Now suppose delete from the beginning of the line to the cursor position. See, I mean like from the beginning here to cursor position. Where is the cursor position? Cursor position is at G. You want to delete it. How you can do is just escape, go to the command mode, just DGG. Okay, DGG if you give, it is going to go. And then capital DG means deletes from the current position to the end of the line. Simple thing. Okay, now let me enter again some data. Okay, see, now I'm here. I'm here. From the current position of the cursor to, you want to delete it till to X end of the line. How you can do is just capital G, capital D and then G. You need to give two at a time. If I am giving D, it is going to delete the line. Okay, that is how you are going to give. Okay, are you clear with the deletion of a line wise?
Yeah, DD. Yeah.
DD and then these things. D dollar
Yeah.
is what is the purpose of D dollar? From
Delete
the
from the
current position to end of the line. Current position to beginning of the line. Current from the beginning of the line, from the beginning to the cursor position. From the cursor position to the end of the file. Okay.
DTG.
Next one is how to replace data. Now you want to replace some character. Suppose you want to replace C character with something. How you can do is just simple. Go to the command mode and just click R. And then after pressing small R, you can replace with F. See, suppose like G is there. What is there? You don't want X here. You want Z. Small R, Z. It is going to replace. To replace multiple characters from cursor position, you need to click capital R. Suppose like here, from here to I want to replace multiple characters, capital R. Replace here, it is saying replace, right? I want to replace J with K, H with I, G with R, H with A, and then N. Just escape. Now your the multiple characters has been replaced. To replace single line, we can go with capital S or CC. We can use, suppose like I want to replace this entire line, you can use capital S. Okay, the line is gone like that. Or else you can use CC, double CC. I'll just show that one as well. Small double CC. Okay, you need to click 2 times small c. See, that is gone. Okay. Opening new lines to insert data. Okay. Suppose now I am here, right? Now I am here, and if you go to escape mode and if you click capital O, it is going to come the new line. Okay. If you click small O, it is going to, sorry, insert. We should not be insert mode. We should go to the, now I am here. If you click small O, you are going to come a new line below. Okay. Before current line, a new line will be if you want, before this is the current line, right? If you want new line before current line, you need to click capital O. If you want new line after current line, you need to click small O. Okay.
Mhm.
1 second. Replace is done. Opening new lines to insert folder is done. Now copy and paste data. This is something. Let me add some data here. It's fine. Let me escape. See, suppose you want to copy this line, this entire line. How you can do is just click, go to the command mode, and then just click YY. Now it is copied. Okay. And how can you paste it is just come down here. Okay. Now just click P. See, it has pasted here. Okay. And if you copy the lines. Okay. YY is to copy the line. Suppose you want to copy multiple lines, say like five lines, 5 YY. And if you want to paste, you need to click just the P. Okay. There are two P's. One is small P, paste above the cursor position. If you want to paste above the cursor position, small P. Paste capital P if you give, paste below the cursor, sorry, paste capital P is below the cursor position. Capital P is below the cursor position. Small p is above the cursor position. Okay. And then if you want to copy certain word, how you can do is I'll just click certain word here. There is no word. What I will do is I will click insert mode. I will say Kiran and then escape mode. Now you want to copy this word. How you can do is YW. Now the word is copied. Now how you can now you want to paste it here. Just click P. See, if you want to copy word YW. If you want to copy multiple words, you can mention how many words you want to copy. Okay, and then there are few things we want to discuss. Y dollar. Sorry, Y dollar. After that, Y cap symbol. Yeah, these two are the things. To copy from the current position to the end of the line. Suppose I am here. My cursor position is here. From S2, I want to copy to the end of the line. How you can do is Y and then dollar. Now come down here. Oh, okay. I'll just go here. If you want to paste, just QP. See, now that is have been copied. And same thing, like to copy from the beginning of the line to the current cursor position. Now I'll be here. I will be here. I will be here. And from beginning of the line to the cursor position, if you want to do simple thing, Y cap symbol. Now those things will be copied. Now just go here and then paste it. See, that is how you are going to do. That is copy and paste thing. How you can do it? Cursor navigation commands. Okay. There are few things, cursor navigation things. See, suppose now I am at the below. Now you want to go to the top arrow. How you can do it? Using arrows, right? Arrows is also fine. Simply click K on the keyboard. If you click K on the keyboard, it is going like simple up arrow is there, right? Up arrow is equal to K on the keyboard. And then J is below. I mean J is below, simple below arrow, like up arrow and down arrow is there, right? Simple like that. If you want to do, K is for up arrow, J is for below arrow. Okay. And then L is left arrow. L is left arrow. I think capital I, that is capital I. If I click I, it is going to insert mode. Even if I click capital I, it is going to be in the insert mode. Left arrow, it is going to the left arrow. See, you are able to see, right? Left arrow, right arrow, left arrow, right arrow. H is for left arrow. H is for left arrow. See, left arrow. I is for right arrow. Okay. To go 3 times top arrow, how you can do? 3 times you want to go top. How you can do? 3K. Okay. You want to come down 3 times. 3 lines below. 3J. Okay, like that. 3H means 3 times left you will go. 3I means 3 times right you will go. Okay. End to the current end of, see, now I am here. Now suppose I am here. You want to go, you want to come down to N. You can use just dollar. Dollar if you give, you are going to come to the end of the line. Okay. And then now you are here. You want to go here. You can just simply give cap symbol. Okay. Beginning of the current page. Now you are here. Now suppose you are here and just click capital H, you will be going to the top of the current page. Middle of the page, if you want to go, just click M. You will go to the middle of the page. End of the line, if you want to go, just click L. Okay. We are not required to use this because that is what H, K, J is there, right? Those things also can be done by using arrows. Okay, beginning of the B and B, there are few things. Okay, there is another word, capital G is there. Capital G means end of the end, move to the last line, of the file. Okay, suppose now I am here. You want to move to the last line of the file. How you can do? Capital G. If you give, you are going to the move to the last line of the file. Okay. And even you can just click escape mode. Now you want to move to the top line, first line you want to move. Just click 1 and then enter. You are going to the first line. and then escape mode, you want to come to the last seventh line, 1, 2, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 5th line you want to come. Just click 5, enter. You are going to the 5th line. Control F on one page forward if you want to go. Control F you can do. Control V one page backward you can do. If you want to perform undo operations, you can use U. Okay, see if I use U, it is going to do some undo operations. Okay.
For you, I need to be command prompt, right?
Yeah, you need to be in the command mode.
Okay.
But here we are in the exit mode, but you can be in the command mode or exit mode, but don't be in the insert mode. Okay. Now let us discuss about the exit mode. Exit mode is simple. Now I am in the exit mode. Shift colon. If you give exit mode, W is to save the file, and then W key is to save and exit the file. Q is to quit the editor. Q exclamatory is to force exit. If you perform any changes, those changes will be discarded. Okay.
Yeah, that I know.
And then now here you want to
Kiran? Kiran?
Jobby?
Yeah, Shanmugh, I
Yeah, what
think
happened?
internet might go.
He was disconnected?
Yeah, he was disconnected.
Okay, he'll connect again, right?
Yeah, he will disconnect.
Okay.
hello.
Yeah, Kiran.
Yeah, sorry, my mobile got I mean like battery is gone. That is why it has been switched off. I was not able to. I'm connecting from the mobile data. That is why. Okay, no issues. Where we are? I'll just share my screen.
We WQ,
Uh,
right and
exit.
save.
We are discussing about the exit mode, right? You are able to see my screen, right?
Yes, I can.
See, exit mode is shift colon. If you give, you are going to come to the this one shift colon, and then this is the exit mode. We have discussed a few things like W, WQ, Q, and then Q exclamatory. These things we have discussed. And now suppose you want to set a number. How you can do is set and then space nu. If you give, you are going to set the numbers like this. See, at the thing you are able to see the numbers, right? Like this, you can set the numbers. 1 minute. You can set the numbers like this. To remove the lines, no, you want to remove the lines. How you can do is just shift colon, set space, no, new. If you give, the numbers will be no option. Nu. 1 second, let me go back. Set and then no new. Yeah, see, no, if you give no new, it is going to go. And place the cursor to the nth line. Suppose you want to place the cursor to the 7th line. How you can do is shift colon. How you can do is n. I mean, like simple 7. If you give, you are going to come to the 7th line like that. If you give shift and then if you give dollar, you are going to the click enter. You are going to the place the cursor to the last line. Okay. And then even you can do one more thing, like suppose if you want to run any commands, you know how you can do is exclamatory symbol, and you can give certain commands like wc minus l. You can give, just click enter. See, it is going to give no last changes since last change. What is this? It has escaped. Okay, 1 second. Just control C. Terminated. No, right, since last change. Please enter or type the command. See, we can type the command. If you want to continue to type the command, please enter. Okay, I want to enter like this. We can type the command just like this. And then what command we can use here? Suppose you want to do some you want to get the date. DATE. Just click enter. See, we are getting the date here. See. Again, it is asking, please enter or type command to continue. I'll just click enter. Again, I'll just give like this and then like this and then cal command. Now we are getting the calendar. No, you want to, you don't want to do this one, just click enter. It is going to exit. Okay. Okay. There is another thing, simple. Just let me exit from here. VI and then +7. If you give +7 and then if you give 1.sh, if you give, I mean, like VA, it is going to open the file, and +7 we have given, right? +7, what it is going to 7 is we are going to enter the 7th line. See, directly we are going to the 7th line. That facility is also available here. Okay. Any questions in the VA editor? This is all about the VA editor. We have discussed. I'll just give you a brief what we have discussed. How to edit the file. There are 3 modes. One is command mode, insert mode, exit mode. 3 modes. How to change the modes, I have explained. How to insert and append the data, I have explained. How to delete data, delete data, delete word wise, delete character wise, delete line wise, I have explained. And then how to replace the data, opening new lines to insert data, capital O, small o, I have explained those things as well. Next, copy and paste the data, YY, paste is P. Cursor navigation commands I have explained. Exit mode I have explained. Yeah, this is all about VI editor. Any questions you have in VI editor?
You also explained, yeah. So I've seen that, I think in a gedit, I think mostly you put the command actually, and then after put the command, then
even we can put the command in the VI editor as well. But to explain all the things, you know, I have put the I mean, like some random data.
okay.
Nano editor we'll discuss tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll discuss a nano editor and we'll start with the shell scripting as well.
Okay.
Shell scripting tomorrow basic, like again we'll discuss what is shell, and then types of shells. There are like bash shell, corn shell, C shell, T shell, jet shell. How to check default shell in your system. How many shells are available. How to switch from one shell to different shell. And then we'll discuss these two topics tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
I think shell scripting is not going to take that much time. There are like how many topics are available in shell scripting? Maybe like 10 topics are available. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 topics are available. Let us say we will take 2 topics in a day, 5 days we need to complete. Maybe by next Friday, or else we'll keep next 10th, by 10th July, we are going to complete this shell scripting. Once after completing the shell scripting, then we need to go to the third part, that is Linux administration things. Linux administration things, I'm not sure how many topics are there. I'm just trying to open that one. Maybe like I think we need to complete by July 31st, or I'm planning like that. We'll see what, if anything, anything goes wrong, we cannot say.
Yeah.
Linux administration, there are, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 topics are there. Say 10 days. Two topics in a day, 10 days it is going to complete. Maybe we'll say no problem. Even like if you want me to extend, I can extend it. Why to go in a hurry? No?
Yeah.
Okay, any questions you have? Tomorrow
No.
we can keep an end to Linux part 1.
Okay.
Okay, then bye, Zobi. If you are having, try to practice whatever things we have discussed.
Yeah, sure.
You can come up with questions on V editor or the G editor tomorrow. G editor, nobody is going to use G editor because like desktop versions of Linux machines, they are not going to use. Only the virtual machines, those things will be available in the cloud, right? That is why you need to be familiar with V editor or Vim editor or Nano editor. Nano editor is very simple.
Okay.
Okay, then. Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Have a great day. Bye.